Alright, so how to change the key on the smart key lock. You insert the current key, and then once you insert it, you do 90 degrees this way, and then you insert this, press the button. Basically, you press the button, then you remove both things. You insert the new key that you want to have. So this is the new key right here. You insert the new key. Okay. And then turn it 180 degrees, and then you take it out. So now this is the key for the thing. Pretty simple. You insert the old key, put it 90 degrees this way. You insert the button, that tool right there, press the button, take everything out, put the new one in, put it back 180, and put it back to the original position and take it out. Hope that helps.